All right, so just found a black ant. Outlaw. It is now your job to make sure that this house stays bug free. You got me? Oh, what? No. I need you to do it, honey. Okay? And if you can get everybody else to help you out, that'd be cool. But you're the best at it, so I need you to do it, okay? You see any bugs? I need you to kill them immediately. Or call my attention to them, okay? So I can kill them. Are you paying attention? Okay. So yeah, you got it? Are we cool? You're gonna do it? Are you pumped? Good. Well done.